As a native-owned firm, EnerTribe is interested in more than just bringing broadband infrastructure into a community. In this case, EnerTribe partnered up the Hoopa Valley Public Utility District with Hunter Communications.
I'm Dylan Malnori. I'm coming from Hoopa Valley. I work with Hoopa Valley Public Utilities District.
My name is Patrick Jackson. I'm here in Medford, Oregon this week to learn some cross-training with Hunter Communications.
We got sent up here for a training to run the ditch witch, run their equipment, run their machines, eventually to lay fiber optic line throughout the whole valley of Hoopa.
So I have a counterpart that's been teaching me how to splice, maybe some troubleshooting, stripping cables, kind of real world training as opposed to learning in a classroom. We're actually just following these technicians on the job, and as they encounter problems and troubleshoot, we're learning along the way in a different kind of working environment. It's pretty cool.
Right now, I've been up here for 3 days. I'm pretty much hands-on, pretty much got it down so far. I'm pretty confident that I can do this back over in Hoopa.
It was a privilege to be able to see tribal members getting hands-on training from industry professionals. Providers throughout the country are utilizing state and federal funding to build broadband infrastructure. To see this happening in real time was amazing.
So there was an outage in Klamath Falls. We responded late at night because there was a cell tower there that of course serves a lot of people, so it has to be down during a minimal amount of time. So we showed up at midnight to splice, and we were there till 5 in the morning.
It's really good, hands-on. It's a good team building experience.
It's invaluable because we've got this huge project coming up that's all just fiber in the valley. And in order to do so, we've got to be able to do the splicing, to do the layout, the troubleshooting. There's just so much to the job that if you don't know beforehand what you're getting into, you can get in some real trouble.
The knowledge of the machine and the equipment and getting out of my comfort zone with other equipments that I'm so used to.
Every day we've learned something that is, to me, very important because it's something I wouldn't have thought of or planned for. So the training has been incredible.
To see the Hoopa tribal members excelling at this training and bringing it back home to teach others was a privilege. EnerTribe is proud to be a part of the Hoopa Valley Broadband Initiative and proud to have brought a provider and a tribe together for this project.